Can you make slime without glue or activator? Let's find out. We'll be needing a container, shampoo, and fall. All those viral TikTok recipes use Pantene, so that's what we're gonna use. It's as slimy as snail dust. Shampoo literally looks like clear glue. Time to salt things up. This should hopefully activate our slime. 1.5 spoons should be good. Now let Nixie. Something was definitely getting cooked up, but we needed more salt. Nobody wants a musty slime for a diet pit. I have 5 openers and it feels pretty good already. Instead of stabbing with 5 pencil, let's put it in the freezer for 2 hours to see the result. We'll wash the foliant out to see if this recipe was sicker.